next year. Please give them a huge round of applause.
Now we are here to celebrate the success, perseverance, constancy and fortitude of our Montgomeryans who have proved their mettle and made us feel euphoric of their achievements.
Now I request Principal Mr. Kavaljeet Singh Randhawa, Academics Coordinator and Headmistress Mrs. Sangeeta Bhatia, and in charge Pre-Primary Mrs. Sukam to escort our worthy Chief Guest Mr. Jagdeep Sehgal to stage to congratulate the position holders of the academic session 21-22. Successful and unsuccessful people do not vary greatly in their abilities. They vary in their desires to reach their potential.
Now I would like to hand over the opportunity to Gurdeep Sharma to invite all the prize winners on the stage.
A very good evening to one and all. We have gathered here to acknowledge and celebrate the achievements from the past academic year 2021-22. Audience is lifeline. Clap for yourself for being energy personified. We start with the prize distribution for grade 1. Little angels are eternal joy. Keep enjoying the infinite.
Both sides.
Put your hands together for the little ones who are the reflections of the Almighty. Now moving towards the position holders of grade 2. We have Rehan Bharadwaj who has bagged the first position. Gurjot Kaur, Ekamjot Kaur, Aditya Ahuja, Arup Bharadwaj and Jagkiran Singh shared second position. Phenomenal. Wow, little wonders, keep it up. A huge round of applause for them. It's time to acknowledge the talent of grade 3. Meherpreet Kaur secured first position. Veronica bagged second position. Hartal Singh Chahal, Tejaspreet Kaur, Viman Wadhwa and Japneet Kaur collectively bagged third position. Heartiest congratulations to all the achievers. Why energy dropping down? A huge round of applause for the ones present. Now moving towards grade 4, let's hear it for Japneet Kaur and Sartaj Singh who shared the first rank. Simar Kaur stood third. Fabulous performances, kids. Many congrats to the achievers. You become what you believe. These frolicking, dancing, singing rivers are the best examples. Once again, a big hand. Now we start with grade 5. Put your hands together for Jagandeep Kaur, who stood first, Gurjahat Kaur, who stood second, and Harpreet Singh for being at third position. For the award ceremony of secondary section, I request the awarding coordinator, secondary section, Mr. Sabinder Singh, to please come on the stage. I request NCC cadets to escort him. As you move towards the dream moves towards you. Let's clap for the ones who dare to dream and change them to reality.
Now we have the students from class 6 to 11 who stood first, second and third in their respective classes. Starting with class 6, first one in order are Gurpreet Kaur and Rishika Sharma, both standing first. Next we have Parmeva Singh and Surbeen Kaur, both standing second. Third position is bagged by Ashnoor Kaur. Congratulations winners. Now let's hear it for the shining stars standing. Sukhmandeep Kaur standing first. Anandika and Rajpreet Singh sharing second position. Guneet Arora, Janjot Kaur and Meherpreet Kaur sharing third position. A big round of applause for the ones who love and live their passion. Next in order are the achievers from 8th standard. Kani and Rabia down at the first position. Jay Mahajan, Pranjal and Shivam Gupta all three sharing second position. At third position is Tushar Chadha. Congratulations, position holders. Ninth standard, race up. First is Ananya. Second is Harmandeep Singh. At third position is Harshita Bhardwaj, Ridhima Chopra and Savneet Kaur. Keep clapping for the ones who have put in best of their efforts to reach the proof. Wonderful. Give it for them who could reach such heights. For class 10 and senior secondary position holders, we request our worthy coordinator, senior secondary wing, Mrs. Amardeep Kaur, and coordinator CBSE, Mrs. Inderpreet Kaur, to join the dignitaries on stage. NCC cadets to escort them. From 10th standard, first is Keshav Kapoor with 99.2%. Shrenik Jain stood second with 98.8%. Third position is shared by Variniam Gupta and Puneet Kaur with 98.6%. Well done. Congratulations. It's time for non-medical students of 11th standard to come on stage for their prizes. First position is shared by Dilpreet Singh and Dinam. Ritika stands second and Jagrit Dhingra stands third. Remarkable. Clap for them. Now let's put our hands together for the outstanding performers from medical stream. Pushpreet Singh is at first position. Pranav Singh and Shipra Magho share the second position. Third is backed by Maneet Kaur. Fantabulous. Keep it up. Prizes for 11th Commerce section. Jia Vadva is at first position. Atishay Jain at second. And Rana Surbir Singh at third position. Good going. Keep it up.
A rare treasure becomes such only after it has been desperately sought after. Now is the time to call the position holders of the senior most class of MGN, Grade 12 Commerce. Please put your hands together for the real gems. I call upon Asmi Sharma. She bagged first position, scored 98.6% and a perfect 100 in business studies. In the list is Lavanya Arora with 97.6%, a perfect 100 in business studies, accounts and economics. Indeed, an excellent achievement. Let's get it once for Lavanya. Coming up next is Harleen Kaur. She scored 97.6%. Outstanding work.
नहीं होने आ रही पहले आ रही थी एक दी पांच
Next in the row is Stuti Kharbanda with 97.6%. Commendable.
बेटा सामने थोड़ा हाँ जी सर थैंक यू
Next is Arsh Raj Nijjar with 96.2%.
बेटा सामने
Mohini Arora with 96%.
वो नहीं लेना कोई ना भी और कोई दिक्कत सानू मेन है
Deepika
सामने
with 95.6% and a perfect 100 in accounts. Mana Satri with 95.4%. Please give a big hand for the achievers.
थैंक यू
Now I call upon Diksha Saini. She scored 95.2%. Khushi Vich, she scored 95%. Her sibling will collect the award on her behalf.
बेटा सामने
Suhani Gupta with 94.8%.
हाँ जी सामने मैडम सामने थैंक यू नहीं नहीं
Kashish Kapoor with 94.8%.
बेटा सामने इधर
Well done.
मैडम सामने थैंक यू
एक पैर पीछे कर
बेटा सामने
Nana Dayal with 94.4%.
बच्चे सामने इधर
Guru scored
बेटा थोड़ा पीछे
94%. Keep clapping for the real gems.
बेटा थोड़ा पीछे हाँ ये सामने थैंक यू
Well done. Amanpreet Singh with 93%. Superb.
बच्चे सामने हाँ जी थैंक यू देख लो
Satyam Bal with 92.8%. His sitting will receive the award.
थैंक यू
Chirag Pasi with 92.8%.
थैंक यू
Rizwan Soti with 92.2%.
थैंक यू
Anshuman Singla with 92.2%.
थैंक यू
Alicia Arora with 92.2%. Let's have a round of applause for the ones who could make it to the top. Next in the sequence is Bandeep Kaur with 92%. And to add on, she scored highest marks 99 in marketing.
थैंक यू
Next in line are Jugraj Singh with 92%. Samriti Verma with 91.8%.
थैंक यू
Manisha with 91.6%. Her sibling will receive the award. Aditya Nand with 91.4%.
हियर प्लीज
She is not
Thank you.
present. On her behalf, her parents will receive the
वो
award.
फोटो आपके साथ देख के कर रहा है
Priti Binsal with 91.4%.
हियर प्लीज थैंक यू
Karanveer Singh with scoring 91.2%.
मैम थैंक यू
Prerna Jassal with 90.6%. Good going.
थैंक यू थैंक यू
Next are Namasri Singh Khurana with 90.4%.
हियर प्लीज
Kashish with 90.2%.
थैंक यू हियर प्लीज
Diya Vora got 90.2%.
पापा नीचे हो जाओ थोड़ी देर
Harsimrati Soti
कह रहा हूँ मैं, पूरी
scored 90%.
पीछे से कवर कर रहे हैं थैंक यू
Akashdeep Singh
please.
scored 90%. Superb.
थैंक यू
Devdeep Singh Saraswati,
अमरदीप मैम
highest mark 99 in marketing.
थैंक यू
Excellent work. So here I congratulate once again all the position holders of grade 12 commerce for their unparalleled achievement.
थैंक यू
The class is 12. The stream is with applause while I call upon stage Sanya Gupta, who bagged first position. She scored 95.4% and cleared the entrance exam NEET. Her sibling is here to receive the award. Please give her a huge round of applause.
थैंक यू
Neck-to-neck competition given by Priyanshi Jain, who also scored 95.4% and bagged second
Sir, help me, ma'am.
position and a perfect 100 in information practices.
थैंक यू
Coming next is Bjorn Aryan. He scored 95.2% and highest marks 95 in biology. his sibling is here to receive the award. Next is Nimrata Singh with 94.8% and he too scored highest marks 95 in biology. Another one in sequence is Ravleen Kaur with 94.6%. Next one coming up is Kiran Shimar with 94.4% and a perfect 100 in information practices. Calling upon Naina Mongia with 91.5%. Her sibling is here to receive the award. Mankirat Kaur with 90.8%. Asmita Yadav with 90.8%. Bhavika Khanna with 90.6%. Her parents are here to receive the award on her behalf. Give a big hand for all these radiating stars. Next is Radhika. She scored a perfect 100 in music. Last but not the least is Tanvi Sharma, who got highest marks 99 in painting. Heartiest congratulations to all the upcoming doctors. With this, we would like to proceed with the prize holders of grade 12 of non-medical stream. Please put your hands together for exceptional Manya Sekri. She bagged first position with 97.8%, cleared J mains with 99.4%.
Please, that's it.
Next comes Tinky with a huge round of applause. She too scored 97.8% and got highest marks 99 in Kathak. Her parents are here to receive the award.
Coming next is Tanveer Singh with 97%. He cleared J mains and advanced with 98.7 percentile. Wonderful, keep it up. Next is Shiva Bhagat, who got 96.8%. A perfect 100 in physics and cleared J mains and advanced with 97.2 percentile. On his behalf, his parents will receive the award. Congratulations. Next is Inderjot Singh with 96.8%.
सही जगह खड़ा था
A huge round of applause for Samar Rajpai, who scored 96% and cleared J mains and advanced with 98.8 percentile.
थैंक यू
Another round of applause for Harshul, who cleared J mains and advanced with 99.0 percentile. His mother is here to receive the award. Coming up next is Arnav Bansal with 95.8% and scored a perfect 100 in physics and cleared J mains and advanced with 97.2 percentile. Next in line is Akshat Kui with 95.8% and getting a perfect 100 in chemistry. His sibling will receive her award. Wow, congratulations.
थैंक यू
Manisha Sachdeva with 95.6%. Arushi Bajaj with 95.6%. Her parents will receive the award on her behalf.
सर हेयर प्लीज
Manik Arora with 94.8%. His parents will receive the award on his behalf. Jastiran Kaur with 94.6%. Her sibling will receive the award.
थैंक यू
Anisha Paveja with 94.4%. Congratulations all the achievers. Well done. Let's give it for Karanveer Singh with 94.2%.
हेयर प्लीज
Next is Gurkiran Singh
Sir, please. Thank you.
Coming up next is Apurva with 94%. His parents will receive the award on his behalf. He cracked JEE Mains with 96.2 percentile. Fantabulous!
Thank you. हाँ जी
Next in the row is Jasleen Kaur Kanwar with 93.8%. Anubhav Jodhpur with 93.8%. Well done. Her sibling will receive the award on her behalf. Here
Yeah,
comes
please.
Dia Chaudhary with 93.6%. She cleared JEE Mains
Thank you.
with 94.6 percentile. Now we have Harshdeep Singh with 93.6%.
Thank you.
And Harjot Singh with 93.6%.
Thank you.
It's rightly said that you must set up your mind and be ready for every challenge to achieve your goals. The success will definitely knock your door. I call Sukhmanjeet Singh Bedi, who has scored 93.4%. Anjali scoring 93.4%. Jigyasu Khera, he got perfect 100 in
Thank you.
physical education and highest marks 99 in English, scoring 93.2%. Coming up are Aditi Ahuja scored 93.2%. What a fantastic work. Keep it up. Mohak Abhilashi scored 92.8%. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Arshdeep Kaur got 92.8%. Namita scoring 92.6%. Marvelous. Congratulations.
Here, please. Thank you.
Let's give it for Guleen Kaur scoring 92.4% with highest marks 99 in painting. Now we have Ashi Yadav with 92.2%. Congratulations.
Here, please.
बड़े नाम इसको तकलीफ भी देते हैं बाद में दुकान में आते हैं आवाज़ ऊँची
Siddharth Kullar
Ma'am.
scoring 92%. Congratulations.
आपने बोलो please.
Remarkable work done by Manraj Singh, who cracked JEE Mains with 96.1 percentile and has scored 91.8% in 12th course.
करते हैं
Moving on with Aditya Agarwal, who has scored 91.8%.
आज तो ट्रेन नंबर लगाई मैं तो शायद में करना टाइम लगता है
Tanya Sharma with 91.6%. Fantabulous. Congratulations.
थैंक यू
Manmeet Singh Suteja scoring 90.8%. His sibling will receive his award on behalf of him. Jatin scoring 90%. Wonderful. Congratulations. Let's give it for Daksha Babu with highest marks 99 in painting. His sibling will receive his award on his behalf. Sameer with highest marks 99 in painting. Great.
वो नहीं है अम्मी का कोई बंदा पे अम्मी तो कौन बंदा नहीं वो गोरा जब
Last one in order is Rishi Tandon with highest marks 99 in home science. Now we have prizes for the ones who excel in sports. Start, unknown, finish, unforgettable. A huge round of applause for Eganjeet, Deep Karan and Bharam for splendid performance in tennis. Please give a big hand for Shivan Puri, Trisha Puri, Himang Nanda, Manthan Dogra, Dipansh Kundra and Sejal for being phenomenal badminton players. Congratulations.
will be here please. Thank you.
Please put your hands together for the spectacular performance of Siddharth Kaur and Ayushman Dhawan. They have been exceptionally well at shooting. All is in mind and mood. The game is chess. Outstanding performers are Saksham Kapoor, Samrat Kapoor, Vishnu and Siddharth Arora.
Thank you.
When it comes to skating, the stunning achiever is Jasmine Kaur. Our incredible athlete is Krish Atri. He excelled in athletics. Cricketers live the passion, inspired the creativity.
The ones who have mastered body and mind are our cadets. Now we have best in NCC. And the best cadets are Subhash Singh, Sidhu Jot, Rajdeep Singh, Azad Singh and Dakshdeep Singh. Let's give a huge round of applause. Well done. Congratulations.
हाँ कितना रेडी है?
थोड़ा वाइड कर लो जल्दी.
Next we have prizes for best in electronics. Please put your hands together for Vidur Singh, Ranjit Singh, Sanidra, Kanwar Singh, Naman Srivastava and Anshu Kumar. Let's tap and clap for who are best in dance. Let's hear it for Payush, Sejal, Gursimran, Gursahatpreet and Harisi.
Thank you.
Let's have a huge round of applause for the ones who enjoy the poetry of food. They are the happy souls who keep others happy. Music is present everywhere to heal,
Ma'am, here,
nourish
please.
and empower. Moving on with the rhythm and rhyme, we have best in instrumental. Dashdeep
Thank
Singh,
you.
Prabhur Singh, Rayan Sodhi, Simarpreet Singh, Gurjot Singh, Karanjot Singh and Ashdeep Kaur. Now we have best in vocal. Vipul Sami, Prabhu Kaur, Vargun Kaur, Simarpreet Kaur and Mamika. Felicitations.
Ma'am, here please.
मैम जी
Thank you.
Music is the language of the spirit. Where words speak, music speaks. Happy and blessed souls are the vocalists and instrumentalists. A big hand for them.
Ma'am, here please.
Flow come out of the flame. Be one with the creator and his creations
Ma'am, here please.
artists. Now we have prizes for best in art. Sakshi, Asminur, Rishika Sethi, Ridhima and Janya. Give a huge round of applause for them.
Here please.
Playing with ideas, materials and infusing life into dream creation with the power of craft. For best in craft, we have Tanish, Rishi, Bhavleen Kaur, Pranjal, Yumika Sabharwal and Vandal Khera. Congratulations.
मेरे पास हो.
Here please.
Yes.
Thank
A
you.
band is not proud because it performs well. It performs well because it is proud. Let's hear it for best in band. Ashdeep Singh, Gary, Manveer Singh, Paramveer Singh Juneja, Manveer Pratap Singh and Paramveer Singh Puri.
Sir,
For
here
the
please.
next category of the Prestigious Award, we would like to welcome our guest of honor, Mrs. Diksha Chaudhary, on the stage. I
Please.
request the NCC cadet to escort ma'am onto the stage.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Celebrating uniqueness. Let's celebrate the presence of our head boy, Vikas Singh, with thunderous applause.
मेरे दो प्राइज.
Sir.
धन्यवाद सर.
Jarvis
please.
is a sight to behold. His presence in ground, class and everywhere leaves an indelible mark. Best is best and remains
Here, please. Thank you.
Now, it's time to celebrate 25 years of service award. सेवा धर्म परम ज्ञान है, वह मानवीकरण का देवीकरण है। अब हम मंच पर आमंत्रित करते हैं हमारे कर्मठ सपोर्ट स्टाफ को, जो 25 सालों से अपनी भक्ति और शक्ति से हमारे विद्यालय को परम धाम में परिवर्तित कर रहे हैं। अब हम मंच पर बुलाना चाहेंगे श्री जगतार सिंह, श्री राजकुमार, श्री पवन कुमार, श्री अवतार सिंह, श्री संजय कुमार, श्री हरिचंद और श्रीमती संतोष जी को। आप सबसे अनुरोध है कि मंच पर आए और अपनी रजत जयंती पूर्ण होने पर कृतज्ञता का प्रतीक उपहार लेकर हमें कृतार्थ करें। Now I request our reverend guest to honor Mrs. Amku Pathak with this.
Sir, please first photo. Ma'am, here please. Ma'am, here. Thank you. Sir, एक मिनट जी. Here please. Thank you. आओ सर. Thank you. हाँ जी, आओ जी. Here please. Thank you. Here please. Thank you.
Now I request our reverend guest to honor Mrs. Amku Pathak with this Raj Badhera Memorial Best Teacher Award in admiration for her earnestness and ethics towards teaching profession. She was conferred with this reward of prestige by DAV Centenary Public School, Philor. This is an institution where people with a common objective assemble and carry out the duties to fulfill their primary goals. Now I invite Mrs. Birinder Kaur, Mrs. Anita Walia, PGTs, Mr. Ajay Bandari, PA2 Principal, Mrs. Shashi Chopra, P Class, who have completed 25 years of service in the year 2020. Please give them a huge round of applause.
Thank you.
What a tremendous feat. Give another round of applause for all the teachers. I express the gratitude we have for their incredible dedication and loyalty towards the institution, where they have completed 25 years of their service.
Manali sir, here please. Randhawa sir, thank you.
Please give them a huge round of applause. Now I call upon the stage Mrs. Sunila Duggal, Mrs. Nidhi Dhawan, Mr. Kanwadeep Singh, PGTs, Mrs. Anita Verma, Mrs. Neenu Kochar, PGTs, Mrs. Jaswinder Kaur, PGI, Mrs. Benu Arora, Mrs. Bindu Jyoti, primary teachers, have completed 25 years of their service in the year 2021. Heartiest congratulations to you all. Your humility, generosity, and kindness is a constant source of motivation and inspiration. And your dedication and work ethics are exemplary. I bow for the ones who changed how to bow. Let's clap for them.
Thank you. Sir, here please. Thank you. Randhawa sir, here. Thank you. Ma'am, here
Give a
please.
huge round of applause.
Thank you.
It gives me immense pleasure to call upon the stage Mrs. Aarti Kukral, Mrs. Anupam Kaur, PGTs, Mrs. Gurpreet Kaur, TGT, Ms. Nidhi Chaudhary, Mrs. Sonia Mittu, primary teachers, Mrs. Parvinder Kaur Pastricha, pre-primary
Ma'am, here
teachers,
please.
Shri Amrit Chand, carpenter, who completed
Ma'am.
25 years of their
1
service
minute, sir.
in the year 2022.
Thank you. Sir, here please. Thank you.
On behalf of management, principal, coordinators and
Ma'am,
staff
here, please.
members, we congratulate them. Hope you will keep sharing your knowledge and experience the way you did earlier.
Ma'am, here please. Thank you. Thank you. Ma'am, here please. Thank you.
The house system and house competitions build community spirit and help young students
Here,
integrate
please.
into secondary school life through social interaction and bonding. The house trophies are given to different houses for their performance in varied academic, inter-house co-curricular activities and divinity.
Thank you.
Now let us begin with the house trophy. First in academic trophy. It goes to Sayasara Ajit Singh House. Now I request Jagrit Dhigra and Muskan Fitri and House
Sir,
Master
please.
Mrs.
Sir.
Pratima Manda and House
Sir,
Teacher
here,
Mrs.
please.
Sarita Verma to come and receive the trophy on behalf of their house.
Cut it.
Most trophy winners, best in divinity and runners-up in uniform, overall runners-up trophy. It goes
Here,
to
please.
Sayasara Gulhar Singh House. Now I request Kanishka Jandel and Gursahib Singh and house teachers Ms. Saloni Grover and Mrs. Shweta Chaba, Srishti, Jay Mahajan and house teachers Mrs. Suman Lata and Mrs. Ruinder Kaur, Rahulkam Jain, Mankaran Singh and house teachers Mrs. Rupinder Mani and Mrs. Isha Sharma. Priyal, Gusimran Kaur and
Sir, here,
house
please.
teachers Mrs. Rajita Purpal and Mrs. Satvinder Pannu to come and receive the trophies on behalf of their house.
आओ जी, फटाफट। आओ जी। बच्चे बैठ जाओ।
Overall runners-up. It goes to Sayasara Fateh Singh House.
Thank you.
Now I request Zanveer Singh and Sneha Kalia and house teachers Mrs. Harpreet Kaur, Mrs. Kuldeep Kaur and Mrs. Vinu Butcher, Agrima Kukreti and Trisha Puri and house teachers Mrs. Ritu Kakeja, Mrs. Upma Agnihotri and Mr. Vikas Kumani, Anupama, Simar Kaur and Jashinjot Singh and house teachers Mrs. Aarti Kukral, Mrs. Rajni Rai and Mrs. Anita Walia. Karanjot Singh and Sanpreet Kaur and house master Mrs. Harpreet Kaur and deputy house master Mrs. Ajit
Yes.
Kaur to come and receive the trophies on behalf of their house.
अरे मैडम आओ।
Teacher and GM Group of Fateh Singh House.
Ma'am.
Miss Cherry Bhatla, house master, Mrs. Jyoti Bagga, deputy house master, and Kanishka Jandel and Musahib Singh
Thank
of
you.
Gulhar Singh House. Mrs. Suruchi and Mr. Bhupinder Singh, house teachers, and we on behalf of their houses.
सर थोड़ा आगे प्लीज।
थोड़ा डीप चलिए।
थैंक यू।
Public speaking and literary trophy, cultural trophy, creativity trophy, runners-up sports trophy, and overall best house trophy. It goes to Sayasara Zorawar Singh House. Now I request Keshav Kapoor, Rishta Bhatia, Shiva Singh Kami, Behar Suti, and house teachers Mrs. Sunila Dukal and Mrs. Shiva Ahuja, Tanvi Sharma, Nivanpreet Singh, Nitin Nepal Kaur to come and receive the trophies on behalf of their house.
Thank you. Thank you.
Today, we have something very special. Singh Mehta, Principal, MJ Public School, Albany Street Phase 2, Mr. Jatinder Singh, Principal, MJ Public School, Kapurthala, Mrs. Parvinder Kaur Walia, and the founder of Whole Month Community Association, Sardar Rajkaran Singh, Dr. Kavinder Sharma, Sardar
Winner of National Award in Best Infrastructure from Federation of Private Schools. It was awarded by Honorable Governor of Punjab, Shri Banwari Lal Purohit, on 29th October 2022. Now I request our esteemed chief guest to honor our principal with this award. I request our worthy principal to receive it on
Everybody here, please.
It's a time to present the venerated chief guest and worthy guests of honor with tokens of love as an expression of our gratitude and inexplicable bond we have formed with them. MGN boasts of notable alumni in a vast range of professionals, right from being successful businessmen to entrepreneurs, from eminent engineers, distinguished players, renowned doctors, politicians, leaders to the Indian forces, reaching all the eminent posts. He's of non-medical stream.
Thank you.
Now, I request the NCC cadets to escort all the dignitaries back to their seats.
Okay. Madam.
अभी गनीमत है सब्र मेरा, अभी गनीमत है सब्र मेरा, लबालब भरा नहीं हूँ, कमबख्त मुझे मुर्दा समझ रहा है।
मैं हर युग में हर संघर्ष से जीत कर उभरी हूँ।
खोखली बात है, अरे क्या भूल गए थे, सारी दुनिया रोक दी थी मैंने। मत भूलना मेरी ताकत को।
तुम कैसे भूल गए, कैसे मिटाया? तुम्हारा आखिरी नामो निशान तक मिट जाएगा।
रूप मेरा तांडव।
द्विनासिकं षण्नेत्रं चतुश्रोत्रम्
अगले हफ्ते जा रहे हैं दिल्ली तैयारी करने ਲਈ।
वाह बहुत बढ़िया।
बस फिर की एनडीए ਵਿੱਚ ਐਡਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਸਾਲਾਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੇਰਾ ਭਰਾ ਨੇਵੀ ਅਫਸਰ। ਤੂੰ ਕੀ ਸੋਚਿਆ?
भाई मैं तो सोचा कि पापा का सुपना पूरा करना है इंजीनियर बन के ना किसी बढ़िया कॉलेज एडमिशन लेनी है तैयारी भी पूरे जोरों से है।
वाह यार बस हुन वक्त आ गया है कि ਅਸੀਂ ਡਟ ਕੇ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰੀਏ ਅਤੇ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਾਲਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣਾ ਅਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਾਪਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਸੁਪਨਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਕਰੀਏ।
सही गल है यार जिंदगी ना बड़ी स्मूथ चल रही है बस हुन रब अपना मेहर भरा हाथ रखे।
तू चल हरमन तू भी चल।
चल यार मनकरण देखिए ना केड़ी अनाउंसमेंट होनी है मामला सीरियस लग रहा है।
आज रात 12 बजे से पूरे देश में ध्यान से सुनिए पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
ए जिंदगी गले लगा ले ओ मेरी मैडम जी ओ मेरी होम मिनिस्टर ओ जी हुंता मौजा ही मौजा श्रीमती जी हुंता करे बैठे काम करने का हुक्म आ गया है भाई मैं नहीं उठ 11 बजे तो पहला उठता।
कहते ने जी बड़ी भयानक बीमारी है छेती छुटकारा नहीं जी होना है तो
ओ तू छाड़ सारा मजे की क्या कर देता दादाजी कम ही है सारा दिन टर टर करी जाना।
मॉम स्कूल बंद उल्टा मौजा ही मौजा उल्टा गेमा के डांगे आराम न उठांगे।
बेटा जी नो फन नो गेम्स ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਕਲਾਸਾਂ ਦਾ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ जाके अपनी ऑनलाइन क्लासां दी तैयारी करो।
पापा ओदे लिए फोन भी तो चाहिए
ले ਇਹ ਚ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਵੱਡੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ तू मेरे फोन पे आज ऑनलाइन क्लास लगा ला, मैं लैपटॉप पे काम कर लूंगा।
फोन क्लासा भी लग गया बैठ गया।
नंदन ए देखी जरा ऐप डाउनलोड नहीं हो रहा।
मम्मी इतना सौखा ज्यादा काम है, आप ही नहीं उधर पढ़ तो लो हो भी गया।
जी मैडम, मैं तो मैसेज किया है, पढ़ो ते उसकी पीडीएफ बना के हुणी भेजो।
हाय रब्बा, एक ते बॉस ने मुझे काम सेंड करी जाना है, उत्ते ने डाउनलोड करना कितना औखा, उन्हें भी मैंने सीखना पवेगा। हाय मैं ते दुगना फंस गई, हुण घर दा भी सारा काम करना पवेगा, उत्ते बॉस भी काम सेंड करी जा रहा है। हाय रब्बा।
मम्मी मम्मी इन्हें मेरी गेम डिलीट कर दी।
मैं नहीं की, ये झूठ बोल रहा है।
कितनी है आ देखो।
ओहो चुप कर तुसी दोनों, जाओ जाके अपनी ऑनलाइन क्लास लाओ, जाओ दौड़ जाए तो।
गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। तुसी जवाब क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो? सुते हो? जवाब दो।
मैम यू आर म्यूट।
ये मैं म्यूट हाँ तो तुसी जवाब कितना देता फिर?
मैम नेटवर्क इशू।
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम, नो इश्यूज। चलो आज आप जीके पढ़ते हैं। बच्चों दिल्ली में कुतुब मीनार है। नंदन नंदन तुसी सो रहे हो? सब पता चल रहा है मैनू। कैमरा ऑन करो।
मैम कैमरा ऑन ही है जी।
अच्छा चलो फिर दसो मैं की पढ़ाया।
दिल्ली में कुत्ता बीमार है।
नंदन बादाम खाए कर बादाम, तेरा दिमाग तेज होगा।
अच्छा तुसी भी उठ गए हो? तुसी बादाम बारे बहुत कुछ जानते हो। चलो फिर बादाम दे फायदे दस दो।
ओके मैम, मैं दसदा।
एक ही हो रहा है, एक ही खालिस्तानी है।
मैम मेरे नाम तो कोई और एंटर कर गया है।
इन्हें खराब बच्चे ने। ठीक है आप इन्हें रिमूव कर देने हैं। अच्छा बेटा अगला उत्तर तुसी दे दो। दसो फिर यमुना नदी कितने वगदी है?
मैम जमीन पे।
मैप ने दसो कितने है?
मैम जी मैं मैप से दसूंगा ते मैप गिना नहीं होगा।
बेटा कल पढ़ाई वाल भी ध्यान देना करो, हमेशा पुठे सीधे जवाब। अच्छा मैं एक पीडीएफ शेयर कर दिया। ए हो क्यों नहीं रहा? की करा?
मैम आ जेड़ा साइड पे ग्रीन बटन है उसको क्लिक करो। नहीं मैम आ जेड़ा साइड पे है, बिल्कुल साइड पे।
ओके एक क्यों है? एक और कर रहे स्क्रीन पे स्क्रिबलिंग।
मैम आर्यन कर रहे आर्यन।
की करा?
मैम आ जेड़ा ऊपर टूल्स का बटन है उसको दबा के डिलीट का ऑप्शन को क्लिक कर दो।
फाइन मैं पीडीएफ फिर शेयर कर दूंगी, तुझे अपना काम पूरा कर लो। नाले हुण टाइम हो गया, इससे ना संबंधित आप कल गल करेंगे। बाय बच्चों।
बाय मैम।
बेटा एक कप चाह तक लाओ।
कदे चाह कदे रोटी कदे कुछ एक तक रोना टाइम में किसी मेड ने भी नहीं मिलना। हुण तो बस मैं ही नौकर बन के रह गई हां।
मम्मी मम्मी मेरा आज ऑनलाइन एग्जाम है पर मैंने कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा। ये चैप्टर इसका मीनिंग की है?
बेटा मैं बहुत बिजी हां, जाके अपने पापा से पूछ ले।
पापा मम्मी बिजी ने, तुसी मैंने ये चैप्टर करवा दो।
ठीक है ना, बोतल उते खाली
उते नु दिखदा नहीं, मैं अपना काम कर रहा। जाके अपनी ऑनलाइन क्लासां विच अपनी मैडम को पूछी।
काम कर रहे ने, एक ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग कर रहे ने ते एक फेसबुक ते बिजी ने। वैसे जी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस विच टाइम हैगा, क्यों ना उन्हीं दिन मैं फोन ते गेम ही खेल लवां।
कैसा भूचाल है, सांसें पूरी है, ये दिल में हाल है, धड़कन रुक जाए ना ये, डर लगता है मुझे, फंसा ही जाता हूँ, ये ऐसा जाल है, आँखों
ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਬੇਟਾ, ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਉਸਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਰਜ਼ਾ ਹੈ। ਜੇ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਇੱਕ ਰਾਹ ਬੰਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਦੂਜਾ ਖੋਲ ਵੀ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਜੇ ਚੰਗਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਿਹਾ ਤਾਂ ਮਾੜੇ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਲੰਘ ਹੀ ਜਾਣਾ। ਆਪਣੀ ਕੀਮਤ ਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਚਾਣੋ।
ਪਰ ਡੈਡੀ ਜੀ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰੀਏ ਕੀ?
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਰਲ ਕੇ ਕੋਈ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਲਓ। ਸੱਚ, ਤੇਰੀ ਮਾਂ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਚੰਗੀ ਕਲਾ ਸਿਖਾਈ ਹੈ, ਤੂੰ ਉਸ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰ। ਮਾਸਕ ਬਣਾ, ਉਹ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਵੀ ਹੈ। ਨਾਲੇ ਘਰ ਬੈਠੇ ਆਮਦਨ ਹੋਏਗੀ, ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਣ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ। ਹੋਰ ਘਰ ਬੰਦ ਪਿੰਜਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਨੇ ਕਰਨਾ ਵੀ ਕੀ ਹੈ?
ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਚੰਦਰੀ ਹਵਾ ਚੱਲ ਪਈ ਹੈ। ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕੋਈ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਹੀ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੈ।
ਮੈਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕੁੱਟਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੈ।
ਓਹੋ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ?
ਮੰਮੀ, ਇਹਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਫੋਨ ਦਾ ਚਾਰਜਰ ਲਗੋ ਦਿੱਤਾ।
ਮੰਮੀ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ।
ਤੂੰ ਹੀ ਲਗੋਇਆ। ਦੱਸ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਮੇਰਾ
ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ, ਝੂਠ ਨਾ ਬੋਲ। ਓਹੋ ਸਾਰਾ ਦਿਨ ਲੜਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਅੱਛਾ ਡੈਡੀ ਜੀ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕੱਲ ਰਾਤ ਦੀ ਖਬਰਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੱਸ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਕਾਰਨ ਇੰਨੀਆਂ ਮੌਤਾਂ ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਸ਼ਮਸ਼ਾਨ ਘਾਟਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਲਾਸ਼ਾਂ ਸਾੜਨ ਦੀ ਥਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀ। ਕਈ ਦੇਸ਼ਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਾਂ ਲੋਕੀ ਲਾਸ਼ਾਂ ਸੜਕਾਂ ਤੇ ਸੁੱਟੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ।
हे परमात्मा, महामारी चंद्री किसी अन्य कूदा पैर जिमें आकाश कोई दैंद सदियां पिछों आ गई, टब्बरां दे टब्बर खा गई। रोग भयानक है गया, कोरोना इस तरह ना पिया। बेटा औखे वेले हौसला नहीं हारीदा, हिम्मत नाल काम लो। सारे रल के इस मुश्किल घड़ी का सामना करो। नाले औखे वेले हिम्मत हार जाना बुज़दिली की निशानी है, बुज़दिली दी।
जी डैडी जी।
ਇਹ ਕੀ ਦੇਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ? ਰੀਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀਆਂ।
By the way, Raveen, I saw your new reel on Insta last night. You had promised me that you'll leave all this Insta, Netflix, didn't you? Certainly I will leave. It was surely the last one. Actually, I was inspired after watching that new web series. Oh my god, what a suspense thriller. Wait. Don't tell me you've started again. It was okay during the lockdown, but now the schools are open. Exams will not be online. You will have to appear offline. Do you understand? Offline. Yeah, I know they're offline. You don't need to tell me that again and again. You are always lollygagging about these stupid shows. What? How can you say that? These shows are not at all stupid. In fact, they entertain us and they refresh our minds. They entertain us? They refresh our minds? Hold on. You want to know what these web series are doing to young minds? Come with me. I'll show you. Yeah, I'm coming. Whatever.
क्यों न सुने अपने माँ बाप के, क्यों रातों को चुप के देखा करे वेब सीरीज। क्यों न सुने अपने माँ बाप के, क्यों रातों को चुप के देखा करे वेब सीरीज। इन वेब सीरीज में है वॉयलेंस, इन वेब सीरीज
Almighty. So क्यों हंसते अपने माँ बाप के इरादों को? छुप छुप के देखा करे
Did mankind emerge stronger than ever? Will slacking behavior overpower enthusiasm to try hands in technology? Won't be that easy to liberate ourselves from the dreadful clutches which has left the entire globe in stark terror. Tender minds seem to be the most affected in this horrendous phase. The situation has left the future under a question mark. An easy comeback cannot be expected. What is more disturbing is that pillars of society are losing their strength. Today, the whole teaching fraternity is questioning its own role. They are stretching their abilities to the utmost capacity. They are struggling to keep themselves up with the pace of life. The upcoming act portrays exactly that.